Welcome back to Comfy Boost, a place to get your weekly dose of wellness, beauty and comfort tips and tricks and challenges to apply straight in your busy schedules.
Okay, this is our last video of the Peppermint recipes playlist, and if you want to find out how we came up with the idea to create so many different peppermint recipes, just click down below in the description. We linked our video on gardening there.
Today we will tell you about making hot peppermint tea or iced tea. That is a perfect refreshing drink. All you need is 3 to 5 mint leaves, 1 cup and some water. For the stronger tea taste, wait a few minutes for the water to get a nice yellowy greenish color. To make a flavor twist, add any of your favorite fruit to the drink. As from our recommendations, it goes very well together with pineapple. And if you want to add even more different flavors, as a base can be used black or green tea, or just only water. For the iced tea, just add some ice and sugar or honey if needed. And last but not least, fresh peppermint can be used dried throughout the whole year.
You can add it to soups, sauces, when cooking meat, and of course make a warming peppermint tea in the wintertime or chilly summer evenings. We really hope that you enjoyed our video on peppermint recipes, and if you did, give us a thumbs up. If you tried any of our recipes, please comment below. Also, if you have found any really cool adjustments to the recipes, let us know. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for new lifestyle tips and tricks.
Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye!
Ciao!